1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are all numbers. Numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Let us classify odd and even numbers.
333. The last digit is 3. Odd number.
480. The last digit is 0. Even number.
213. Last digit is 3. Odd number.
101. The last digit is 1. Odd number. 246. The last digit is 6. Even number. 308. The last digit is 8. Even number. 694. The last digit is 4. Even number. 675. Last digit is 5. Odd number.
The last digit is 4. Even number.
120. Last digit is 0. Even number.
213. Last digit is 3. Odd number. 333. Last digit is 3. Odd number. 101. Last digit is 1. Odd number. 246. Last digit is 6. Even number. 480. The last digit is 0. Even number. 675. Last digit is 5. Odd number. 308. Last digit is 8. Even number. 489. Last digit is 9. Odd number.
333. The last digit is 3. Odd number. 694. The last digit is 4. Even number. 213. The last digit is 3. Odd number.
357. The last digit is 7. Odd number.
246. The last digit is 6. Even number. 101. Last digit is 1. Odd number. 120. Last digit is